Namaskar, my name is Sanjay Kumar. I am poet, story writer, novelist and painter. I want to present my essay. The topic of my essay is Perverted Secularism of Congress. After independence, when Jawaharlal Nehru became the Prime Minister of India, so this incident proved to be very distress for India. At the time of independence, most of Congress leaders wanted to make Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel the Prime Minister. But at that time, Jawaharlal Nehru has said that I would not work under Vallabhbhai Patel. This showed that Jawaharlal Nehru did not believe in democracy. There was a lot of greed for power in him. He wanted to become a Prime Minister of India at any cost. Jawaharlal Nehru believed in Marx's idea that all religions are useless. But as soon as he gained power, he started appeasement politics. Mahatma Gandhi played a big role in making Jawaharlal Nehru the Prime Minister. This was his biggest mistake. Gandhiism could not stop partition of India. Gandhiism could not stop riots during partition. Gandhiism has failed. There are many good things in Gandhiism, but the country's defense policy and foreign policy cannot be carried out according to Gandhiism. Jawaharlal Nehru ran the country's defense policy and foreign policy on the basis of Gandhiism. The country suffered a lot due to this. Jawaharlal Nehru, working according to Gandhiism, destroyed Kashmir. Then by the following this Gandhiism, they defeated China. After being defeated by China, he had said that we are living in fool's paradise. Even on the development front, Nehru and Congress failed miserably. Nehru and Congress achieved very little development, but he developed corruption a lot. That is why India could not become a developed country, and India was surrounded by many problems. The appeasement politics which he had started, due to that appeasement, there was a race for appeasement in the country. Due to this, national interests are greatly affected. Secularism is a good thing, but distorted secularism is very harmful. In our country, many types of spiritual ideology were developed. We respect every ideology. Therefore, the government should respect such all type of spiritual ideology. But Nehru and Congress did a distress job of appeasement. Then other parties also did the same. At the time of independence, most of people of India were extremely ignorant and extremely poor. That is why Congress succeeded in fooling the people. Congress continued to rule India for a long time. But as soon as a powerful opposition emerged, all deceitfulness of Congress came to light. Congress did not make any serious effort to stop corruption, criminalization of politics, casteism, poverty, black money, and maladministration. The result of all this was that India became one of the most corrupt countries in the world. Demonetization once every 10 years should, but Congress did not demonetize even once after the implementation of its constitution. Most of Congress leaders drowned in ultimate corruption. Most of Congress leaders have immense black money. Germany was completely ruined in World War II, but today he is a developed country. We should vote such leader which will make the country a developed country. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my video. Thank you very much. Namaskar.